Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to create a virtual machine, but you don't want to install any third-party apps? Then you have come to the right place, because today I will teach you all how to create a virtual machine using the built-in Hyper-V feature in Windows. So without wasting any time, let's move towards the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. To use the Hyper-V feature, the most important requirement is that you are using the professional version of Windows, meaning Windows Pro. And as you can see, I am using Windows 11 Pro, which means I can use the Hyper-V feature. But if I try to open Hyper-V Manager by searching in the search bar, I will not get any result because Hyper-V is not activated in my system yet. And if I run the command virtumgemedet.msc, I will get an error that no such feature is available for this command to apply. So the first step necessary for Hyper-V activation is to enable Hyper-V and virtualization technology from your BIOS. So I will restart the system and press the setup key on the boot logo, which is different in every system. In my system, it is Del and F2. After the setup opens, I will go to the Hyper-V and virtualization settings, and here you can see that they are disabled. I will enable both of them, and then I will save the settings and exit. After Windows starts, I will type Windows Feature in the search bar, and Turn Windows Features On or Off will appear in front of me. I will open it, and from here, I will enable the features for Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. And as soon as I click OK, the system will download and install the required files. And then it will ask to restart the system so that all changes can be applied properly. So I will choose the Restart option. After the system restarts, Hyper-V is fully installed and ready to use. So now, if I type Hyper-V in the search bar, the first option I get is Hyper-V Manager. I will open it from here, and then the Hyper-V Manager interface will appear in front of me. And here on the left side, you will find a server created with my system name, which is already created. But on the right side, you can choose the Connect to Server option to add or create a new server. But I will use the local server, so I will cancel it. In the local server, I will get all the options on the right side. And if I go to Hyper-V settings, here you can change the virtual hard disk location. By default, it is located in the C drive, but I have saved it in a separate drive E for better performance. And from here, you can also change the location of the virtual machine. I have also saved this in drive E. And after coming back, you will also find Virtual Switch Manager below the settings, where you will get the default switch that will share your internal network, and I will use that default switch. So I will come to the main page, and here first you will get the option for Quick Setup, where you only have to choose the operating system, but I will do all the settings manually. So I will create a new virtual machine, and first skip the info page by clicking Next. And I will give a name to my virtual machine, like, I want to install Windows 10, so I will name it Windows 10 Hyper-V. And below that, I will get the option whether I want to store the virtual machine in the default location, which I set in the settings, or in a different location. So I will choose Store in Different Location, and simply select Drive E. Next, I will be asked to choose the generation, which generation of machine I want to create, meaning first generation or second. So I will choose second generation because I am using a 64-bit system and have an i7 processor. First generation is for old systems that use 32-bit systems with old specs. Next, I will assign memory, how much memory the virtual machine can use from the system. So I will assign 8 gigabytes memory because I have 16 gigabytes memory available in my system. And I want to reserve half the memory for the virtual machine. And the dynamic memory option means that the virtual machine will use as much memory as it needs. It will not reserve 8 gigabytes all the time. Next, I will configure the network. And in this, I will choose the default switch so that the internal network is shared with the machine. Next, I will connect the virtual hard disk if available. Otherwise, I will create a new virtual hard disk and choose the same drive E for location. And I will assign 250 gigabytes space to the machine so that my machine works smoothly without any restrictions. Next, I will choose the operating system to install. If you want, you can install it later after the machine is created. But I have a Windows 10 ISO file available, so I will choose the option to install from a bootable CD-ROM and choose the image file, ISO. And then I will click Next. Now all the summary will appear in front of me. What the name of my machine is, how much memory it has, what the location is, and which generation it is. So I will click Finish, and my virtual machine will be created and appear in the Virtual Machine section. I will connect to this machine, and another tab will open in front of me. Then I will start this machine from here. And as you can see, it is automatically booted from the ISO file and is working properly. So I will install Windows 10 in it, and if you want to see a tutorial about Windows installation, you will find the link in the description where I have given a step-by-step guide in detail. So after the installation is complete, my Windows 10 is ready to use. And from here, I will set the resolution according to my system. And you can see that it has detected the network as well. So in this way, you can create a virtual machine without any third-party app and use it with your Windows without any difficulty. In the next video, I will tell you all how you can play videos in Bliss OS without any errors, because one of my viewers is facing this issue and they have asked for a solution. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.